how to edit and change your religion on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK. Now click on your profile here in the top corner and then click these 3 points. Now click edit profile and then scroll down until you find beliefs. Now click religion and select any religion you want here and save it and save it again, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.